Good afternoon, everyone. So just a friendly reminder that no matter what bike you ride, no matter how fast you plan on going, even no matter where you plan on going, just wear all your gear at all times. I mean, I was the one that was overconfident with his skill and everything. I mean, I did have reasons to back it up, but nevertheless, I was the one that always said, nah, I mean, I don't need to wear all gear at all times. I mean, I'll just put on a helmet, boots, gloves, you know, I'm just going like there or here, it doesn't matter. Well, newsflash, everyone. My skills have nothing to do with this fella. Hi. So now, because of that, we got this. Lovely, right? What was that? Not a single word. I mean, what? Say it one more time. Say it one more time, and I swear to Austria, I will disassemble you to the very last bit. Yeah, I thought so. What? What? God damn it. Ne, briš tamo. Get him. Yeah, so I kind of came to a full stop. So usually the normal procedure when you want to tear down an engine is you take the cylinder head cap off, and then you're exposed with the valves, the camshaft, and the timing chain. So usually what you would do is you would put the piston in the top dead center, so the groove in the bolt of the camshaft is vertical, so then I could just lift up my water pump. But since this buddy down here decided to come out, now the engine is seized and I can't really turn it over, so I can't put the piston in top dead center, so I can't really take this off. So now I gotta think, I don't know, maybe I'll try to take this clutch cover off and then see if I can get the sprockets off somehow, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to when I don't have the slack. But yeah, I mean, that's my best bet so far. I tried turning it here on the flywheel and magnet, but no bueno. So yeah, unfortunately, I think that's my only option. And if that does not work, then I guess I'll just have to power through. I'll have to hammer this in or something. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Alrighty. So I gotta get this sucker off in order to get to the chain. Okay, that's nice. Now this should come off easily, but it ain't. Oh look, this block is cracked anyways, so it. Okay. All right, perfect. So we were able to take the gear off, and now we can slacken the chain a little bit. And there we go. So this groove has to be vertical in order for this water pump to come off. That was the reason why I couldn't do this before, because I wasn't able to turn the crank. But now, since I removed all of this, I'm able to wiggle the chain around the sprocket. I know I was able to take it off. So now basically we take out the camshaft bolt and take the camshaft out with the cam gear. And voila. Success. Alright, you brabaholics, so this is what may happen when you have a junkyard engine with an unknown history. Don't do the required maintenance ahead of time, in this case neglect of the connecting rod big end bearing, and you ride the shit out of your bike for a couple of years. So all in all, this bike has been dying slowly on me, and now finally the bottom end decided to give up. So I've learned my lesson, and the next video will be a assembly video of another junkyard engine, but this time I am opening it up and doing the preventative maintenance ahead of time. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Okay.